Thank you for your purchase of our moss pole by Liqui-Dirt. Let's begin the assembly of your moss pole. Start by laying out all of your pieces on a smooth, flat surface. A countertop or table works great for this. Next, align the tabs. These click together to form a tight joint. Press firmly to lock them together. It's time to form the pole. Bend the flat sections at the hinge joints. Start on the very outside piece. Now form this into a square. It is time for moss. Add your moss starting just above the points of the base. Loosely fill the pole all the way to the top. There is no need to pack the moss. Now for the final assembly. Start at the base, the point of the stake, using 3 zip ties to close the seam joints as shown here. 2 zip ties in the end joint, and 1 zip tie in the first hole of the pole section. Tighten loosely, only enough to close the gap. We will come back to tightening at the very end. Place another zip tie in about the middle of the section. Tighten this loosely. Finally, place a zip tie in the top hole of the section and tighten loosely. Your zip ties in the rest of the sections should look like this. Let's zip up the top with 2 zip ties, as shown here. We are almost finished. Now you can tighten all of the zip ties. Your moss pole should look like this. The final step is to use cutters to nip off the tails of the zip ties. Now you are ready to add this to any plant that needs a little bit of support. You can even water your plants through the moss pole. Thank you for your purchase of the Liqui-Dirt moss pole.